Come on, get your split on. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Come on,
everybody. Dale here with Blue Line again, and today we have Lonnie Anderson with us. He's all the way from Saskatchewan, Canada. He's a farmer up there north of the border, north of Montana, and he came in today and invested in a Blue Line Rock Grizzly. And let me turn that around. We're actually investing in Lonnie today because we add the value that these guys see, and we're grateful for the relationship, Lonnie. By the way, we don't have his Grizzly built yet, so we're gonna put this together. So this is a little bit premature, but it's coming. All right. So we're excited again for your business, Lonnie, and thank you again.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
All right, buddy. Appreciate it.
no plugging and aggravation. Saving your time and making your money. Man, that blue line. That blue line, sweet as honey. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Come on, get your split on.
We offer the high performance that you expect. And man, that's the result that you deserve. Man, that blue line. Let me tell you something. We shoot back!
Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Blue Line Rock Grizzly. Come on, get your split on.
We give you something to stand on. We give you something to believe. We give you high performance.